What are the main components of HVAC systems? Have you ever wondered what keeps your home comfortable all year round? The answer lies in the fascinating world of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Let's break down the main components that make these systems work seamlessly together. First up is the compressor. This mechanical device is like the heart of the system. It pumps refrigerant gas and raises its pressure and temperature, which is essential for the cooling process. Without the compressor, the entire system would struggle to function. Next, we have the condenser. Think of it as a heat exchanger where the high-pressure refrigerant gas releases heat to the outside air. This process allows the refrigerant to transform into a liquid state. The condenser typically includes coils and a fan to help with this heat dissipation. Moving on, we encounter the expansion valve, also known as the metering device. This component regulates the flow of liquid refrigerant into the evaporator coil. It ensures that the refrigerant expands and evaporates properly, which is vital for cooling the air. Now, let's talk about the evaporator coil. This is another heat exchanger where the refrigerant absorbs heat from the indoor air. As it evaporates, it cools the air that circulates throughout your home. You'll usually find the evaporator coil inside the air handler or near the blower fan. Speaking of the blower, this fan is responsible for moving air across the evaporator coil and distributing conditioned air through the ductwork. It also pulls return air back into the system for reconditioning, ensuring a constant flow of fresh air. In heating mode, the heat exchanger plays a crucial role. It transfers heat from combustion gases or electric heating elements to the air circulated indoors. This is essential for systems like furnaces and heat pumps. Air filters are another important component. They remove dust, pollen, and other airborne particles before the air passes over the coils or is distributed indoors. Clean air filters improve air quality and protect the mechanical parts of the system. The thermostat is the control device that senses the indoor temperature. It signals the HVAC system to turn heating or cooling on or off, helping maintain the desired temperature in your space. Ductwork and vents are also key players in this system. Ducts distribute conditioned air to various rooms and return air to the HVAC system. Vents or diffusers at the end of ducts help direct airflow into occupied spaces. For fuel-based heating systems, the combustion chamber is where fuel is burned to generate heat. This heat is then transferred to the air through the heat exchanger, providing warmth during colder months. Lastly, optional components like humidifiers and dehumidifiers can help regulate indoor humidity. They add or remove moisture from the air as needed, contributing to overall comfort and health. In mechanical engineering applications, selecting and configuring these components depends on factors like building size, climate, and specific heating and cooling needs. Regular maintenance of parts like evaporator coils, filters, and blowers is essential to ensure efficiency and longevity. So, the main components of HVAC systems include the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator coil, blower, heat exchanger, air filters, thermostat, ductwork, and combustion chamber. Together, they provide heating, cooling, ventilation, and air quality control in various environments.